In this video, I'm going to teach you the new way to make money as a blockchain developer. All right, you need to check this out. So hey, if you're just joining me for the first time, I'm Gregory from Dapp University. On this channel, I teach you how to build blockchain technology. So click the like button down below, click subscribe. And if you want to find out more ways about how you can make money as a blockchain developer, you should join my free training on my website over at dappuniversity.com/bootcamp. So if you want to make money as a blockchain developer, there's lots of ways to do it, right? There's the obvious one. You can get a job as a blockchain developer. You can be a freelancer. You can build your own product. You could print your own money on the blockchain and sell it to other people. But here's this new way that I want to show you about today, okay? So this project is called GetCoin, and this is a new way for you to get paid for your skills, okay? So how do you do it? Well, you earn income for contributing to open source projects. So why? Well, let's talk about what open source is at all right? So, open source software is basically just creating, code that other developers can see and use and build on top of and fork it. Like if you're a developer and you build a project and you put it on GitHub, where everybody else can see it and do stuff with it, that's technically open sourcing your code, right? That's opposed to closed source, which would be like, just building the code, not letting anyone else see it, and, you don't let them do anything with it. So a lot of the tools that you use as a developer are open source tools, right? Think about any of the programming languages you use, or the frameworks, tools. A lot of these are open source projects, okay? And you could go see the code, you could fork it, you could do stuff with it, you can maintain it, you can build off it, improve it, contribute to it. That's the whole idea of open source community, is contributing to software that other people can use. And there's a big reason for doing this, right? Like, a lot of the big sophisticated technology we use are built on top of other open source projects. And we need those things around as developers in order to push the ecosystem forward, especially in blockchain. Okay, so there is a little bit of a problem with open source. Sometimes the incentives aren't there for developers to really go in and maintain these things and make the tools a lot better, because there's not a lot of economic upside to it compared to other opportunities that these developers could pursue, right? Like sometimes you don't want to go in and just, maintain a project. Like you might even still be earning some money for doing these open source contributions, but the alternatives of doing something else with your time as a developer are often a lot higher, right? So that's what GetCoin tries to fix, is creating new incentives for developers to contribute to open source projects, okay? So for most developers, there's two main ways to do it. There's bounties and there's GetCoin grants. And I'll talk about both of those here in a minute. But essentially, these are ways that you could have new income streams as a software developer. So you could, even have a regular job or be a freelancer and supplement your income with this. Like think about other ways like people drive Uber or stuff like that on top of the regular jobs, earn extra money. Well, this is the kind of thing that you could do as a developer and get paid a lot better than those types of things, right? Or depending on what your financial needs are, you may be able to do something like a GetCoin grant and provide most of your income through something like this if you had a really good project that was sustainable for a certain period of time, all right? So there's lots of cool opportunity, and this opportunity might even grow more and more over time as this platform gets more utilized, right? So how does it work? You do these tasks or you have a grant and you earn cryptocurrency for doing these things, all right? And this could be paid out in a stable cryptocurrency like DAI, for example, or it could be like Ether or something like that. You can go check out all the options inside of here. So let's start on the first track, which would be like bounties. So bounties are just like tasks that get listed on this platform. And whenever you complete the task, you're paid for it, right? And the whole idea here is supporting this open source software. So it could be a lot of different things. It could be fixing bugs, just, adding features to things that people need, doing security audits, creating entire new products that people want as open source. So you can see that some of these bounties are actually pretty substantial, right? This first one is a bug bounty, and this one's like $45,000 US, right? And also this one, a security vulnerability bug, this one's, $5,000. So there's a good amount of upside to some of these things if you're really good and can, satisfy these. So some of these are bugs, some of these are security audits, and some of these are even entire projects themselves. So like if you look at this bounty, for example, this is a decentralized discussion board. And essentially, you just build this entire thing and you can get paid. So for example, if you just built this to spec, you would win 15 Ether. And at the time I record this video, that's like almost $3,000. So if you had some time in your hands, you wanted to build this thing, you could just make a quick 3,000 just like that. And you could, browse all the requirements and specifications for your submission just like this. All right, so that's an example of the bounties feature on GetCoin. Sometimes you could do just little small jobs, or sometimes you could create even big projects, and the upside is, pretty big at some point. Another way to earn income on GetCoin is through grants, all right? This is actually recurring revenue that you can get for a project, right? So bounties are sort of just like a one-off task. You complete it and get paid. A grant is something where, you can provide sustainable income over the long term. And this would be a good way to actually provide some sustainable income for yourself. Like if you're a freelancer, right, you wanted to supplement your income and have sort of two income streams that would equal a full-time job. And like, let's say you had a passion project that wanted to, contribute to Ethereum or some sort of open source project, you could do like this. Or depending on what your income needs are, you may be able to even have a grant that supports you full time. Okay, so let's take some examples here. So essentially what you would do is go create a grant. So look at this one, for example. This is like Prism by Prismatic Labs. Essentially what they want to do is create this project that's going to have ongoing funding. And you can see that it's had 25,000 DAI, and that basically corresponds to about 25,000 US dollar funded, all right? And during the round 3, they had almost $8,000 matched. So what does that mean with the matching? Well, these grants have a matching program. So essentially, like, if I go contribute to a project, then there's another fund that will match my contribution. But it does this thing called quadratic matching, where we'll actually contribute a multiple of what you have contributed to a project. And you can see the round 3 partners here. All right, so the Ethereum Foundation contributed $75,000 towards the matching effort, and then also this extra $25,000 together. So it's $100,000 total for this Q3 matching partner. You can see the past partners here. So you can see hundreds of thousands of dollars have been contributed towards this, and you can say $600K total to open source since the launch of 2019. I can see this growing and growing and growing as this continues to pick up, which means there's going to be a big upside if you want to earn money as a blockchain developer this way. And you can see all the projects on here like Austin Griffith, Ethereum Research and Development. I've had Austin on my channel before, so hey Austin, if you're watching this video. So it's like 31,000 DAI funded and 16,000 was contributed during the Q3 match, okay? So there's lots of opportunity for you if you wanted to be an open source contributor and earn recurring revenue this way. So those are 2 ways that most developers are going to get value out of GetCoin, but there's a couple more ways. Like if you have a big blog or something like that, you can go to CodeFund, which is an advertising platform by GetCoin, and you could display ads in your blog, or if you have a product and you want to advertise for it as well, let's say you're a developer and you built a decentralized application or some other just software product that can earn revenue, you can advertise on developer blogs this way as well. That's another way for you to make money as a blockchain developer with GetCoin. They also have a pretty cool thing called Kudos, which I guess in a way could make you more money by proxy in the long term. Essentially, it's like reputation. You can give other developers badges, right? So let's just say someone was really good at JavaScript, for example, like you could endorse them as a JavaScript master. And I guess if enough people did that, then you could command a higher salary or something like that if people really thought you were good at JavaScript, okay? So these Kudos are powered by Ethereum tokens, essentially an ERC-721 token. It's like a non-fungible token like CryptoKitties. I've got lots of other videos on my channel that talk about ERC-721. I even show you how to build one, so you can check out that video if you haven't already. All right, so yeah, that's a pretty good overview of GetCoin, which, like I said, is the new way to make money as a blockchain developer. So if y'all like this video, go check out GetCoin, subscribe to the channel, click the like button down below, and if you want to learn how to become a highly paid blockchain developer, you should join my free training on my website over at dappuniversity.com/bootcamp. All right, until next time, thanks for watching Dapp University.